Yo, what's up guys? Today we are reacting to this commercial from India. Now, I don't think I've done... Have I done commercials? I think I've done one funny commercial, Men Will Be Men. But that's an interesting concept, reacting to commercials. This was selected by Suhas on Discord. If you're not on Discord, go join. We have more than 800 members. So you can make good friends there. The link is in the description. It's free. You don't pay anything. And you can connect with me and, you know. So this is Samsung India Services commercial. It has 211 million views. 211 million views for a commercial. Wow. Remarks, it's the most viewed video of 2017 in India. Wow. I'm so curious to see what this is about. For a commercial. Wow. Good marketing then. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's go, guys. Let's do this.
हेलो
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित।
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई है?
हाँ हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
Samsung. Oh, I think it's because of the music.
कल कल करती नदियों सा तू बह चला बह चला बह चला मुश्किलें हैं राहों में जो भर के उनको बाहों में
He's doing everything to get there.
फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने
The dedication.
जल्दी आइएगा। अमित
Aww.
जी
आइए आइए, टीवी अंदर है।
Louis Braille.
टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
She is a little bit impatient.
हाँ अब ठीक है। चलो 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 जल्दी चलो, शो शुरू होने वाला है, जल्दी जल्दी
For her children.
जल्दी, आराम से। अमित जी रिमोट।
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा।
Oh. I got goosebumps.
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी।
Everything he did was worth it, man. He's a true hero without a cape. He brought a smile to so many children's faces.
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी-कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है। इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने-कोने तक।
Wow, this was This was an incredible story. I hope it's a true story, you know, for Samsung to be playing with our emotions like that. It's great marketing though, but I hope it's inspired in a true story, and I hope they do what they promise, and I hope Samsung is doing what they're promising in their commercial. But wow, that was a nice, touching commercial. At first, we were thinking like, wow, she's visually impaired, and you know, why would she want a TV instead of just a radio? But then again, I have a family member who is also visually impaired, and he loves watching TV. Although he can't see the images, he listens, and the programs are different on TV than they are radio. And wow, this is beautiful. This was a nice commercial. Guys, if you want me to react to more commercials, be it funny or emotional or entertaining, whatever type of commercial you want me to react to, let me know in the comments down below, okay? And wow, I can see why this was the most viewed video. I can see why it has 211 million views. It's beautiful. It's a great message. And guys, go the distance for people, okay? Because you never know whose life you're changing, and you never know how the simplest things are, you know. And I even said she's impatient, but it's not about patience. It's about being able to capture and live that moment. She didn't want to miss it because her best friend from that hostel was on TV singing. Oh, that's so beautiful. I'm gonna get emotional. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for sharing that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us on Discord so that you can send your suggestion. I'll see you soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.